Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Coinme app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your Play Store app, and once you tap it on, in the search bar simply type in Coinme app. Once you type in Coinme app there, you can see that Coinme app is not available in your Play Store. So simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.pkcombo.com/coinme. To type this in, you can find the APK version of Coinme app. So simply tap on the download APK option, and in matter of seconds you will end up in this page. So now simply tap on the download option on the Coinme 2.213 version and tap on download anyways. So in matter of seconds the app will get downloaded in your device and you will get this prompt. Simply tap on the install button, and once you tap on the install, it will take some minutes to get installed in your device. So once it is completely installed in your device, you can simply scroll down and find the Coinme app on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.